Alright, out here at Fairline, about to do this pickup right quick. What up? Okay, we are back. I got on my colorful hoodie. You know, I have to put that on too. So here we have it. There it is. We got those Air Jordan 1 OG High Tokyo Biohacks in hand, baby. Yes, I had to have this shoe, okay? I had to have it. I was hype beasting today. Yes, I did go to the mall and I wore my Tokyo ones, the metallic silver pair. Yes, I did. So let's just start off with all these colors, man. On the box, we actually have it where it says Biohack brown and this racer pink and black. But as you can see, we have more colors than that. We have what looks like a lighter neon green here on the midsole. We got the black outsole. Man, this shoe is so dope. You got this suede coming around the toe and up where the lace holes are there. If you see that there, I don't know if we can. Yeah, you get a little bit in there. You get a little bit in there. That suede moving back and forth. Then you got this toe box here where it has that sea green color on it moving up to that very dope tongue. I love the fact that this tongue is orange. I love the fact that it's unfinished. If you see that around there, it's an unfinished tongue, but it's stitched and it's got that distressed look, if you want to call it like that, like an off-white pair would have. Of course, it comes with black laces in it. You see that? And then you got the extra set of hot pink laces. Hot pink coming in on the inside of the shoe on the sock liner there. If you look in here all the way, your insole is like a sea green, if you look in there, and then you have the Nike Air and Swoosh in hot pink on that insole as well. One of the, besides the colors of the shoes, one of the things that got me, I love this shoe, is the tongue. Like the orange on the tongue, you can see the little, what do you want to call it, sponge that comes out of the tongue. I love that look. I also love that it doesn't have that regular Nike Air tongue tag on it. I love that you have this black piece here that is stitched onto the front of the tongue in that nice sea green stitching color. And then you have the Nike Air Swoosh on there in hot pink as well. Moving it around, check this out. You got this black underlay here. You got this silver swoosh, this Nike swoosh. That bad boy is 3M. I'm pretty sure I got that right. I'm pretty sure that is 3M on there. So excited about that. And then here's where's that nice brown comes in here I guess a lot of people want to call it the Travis Scott brown. I don't know why, because there are plenty of dunks that have this brown color on it that came out before the Travis Scott ones. But again, if you open up these flaps here on the side, they are neon green in there. Yes, these bad boys have color. Okay, all right, so here we have it. Nothing left to do with these babies but get y'all to on foot. So let's get to it.